Before I get started, I just want to say that I am still doing the giveaway for the AirPod clones from my last video, so if you'd like to go check that out, it's a huge giveaway and I will link to it down below. Also, I am still currently collecting donations for the American Heart Association, so if you'd like to donate to that, then go check out the description down below. Now, into the video. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Super Copy Powerbeats Pro from Superknockies. They cost $75 with free shipping from the United States, so it can take about a week to get to you if you do live in the States, which is nice. On the side, it lists a 9-hour wireless playtime, 24 hours with a charging case. It says that it is sweat and water resistant. It has the adjustable fit ear hooks, and then it has the on-ear controls. And looking at the box, you can see it is one-to-one for the real Beats. It even has the Beats logo right there. And altogether, it looks really nice. It looks really high quality. It has this nice kind of picture on the front that kind of sticks out, which is very nice. And on the bottom, you see it does have this sticker with all of the information on it. And the text is kind of blurred, and it seems like the printing kind of messed up. So I don't know if this can be like that on all of them. This is kind of an earlier model, so keep that in mind throughout the video. On mine, it does have these issues with the text. So you can see the barcode is like kind of filled in more, but yeah. So sliding off the top cover, you can see it has this kind of black cardboard box, which it does not feel the softest. It's kind of like a rough cardboard. It feels pretty cheap. I don't think the real ones would come in a box like this though. I think theirs would be more smooth. But it also has an issue because of this, where it gets like this dust everywhere. And when I first received this, there actually was a lot of like kind of dust inside of the box with the earbuds. So there it is, the inside. You can see it has the charging case, and then here is the little plastic insert. I'll take this out and look at that in a second. As you can kind of see, there are like some scratches inside of this, and you can probably see it better on the manual. It has these scratches and scuffs, which I think was from like some of that dust I was talking about, getting in there and kind of rubbing off some of the paint, the paper, or some of the ink. So I don't know, but it does have the one-to-one manual. No stickers, sadly. I wish it did come with stickers. That'd be very cool. But you also get a nice black lightning cable, which can be kind of nice. I probably wouldn't use this on your phone still, but it looks like a pretty nice sized cable for charging your earbuds with. And then you do also get adjustable ear tips for different sized ears. Now, taking a look at the earbuds case, you can see it has a very nice kind of black case. It has the Beats logo right there. It is a very nice feeling case. It has a good weight to it. It also has a hinge that I think is metal. I can't really tell. And it is definitely metal, yeah. And it's the same style as the one on the real Powerbeats Pro. It also has the lightning cable hole on the back. If you open it, you can see there is an LED indicator on the front. And then on the inside, you can see the earbuds do look the same. And then it does have the little sticker in the back that says to pair, keep earphones in case. So the whole thing looks very nice. One issue I have with mine though is that you can maybe see it does have a slight gap when the earbuds are inside. Whenever you take them out, this problem goes away. But I spoke to the guy at Superknockies about this because I was kind of concerned about that, and he said that they did get it fixed, and so it should be better now. But like I said, I did get an earlier model because I was trying to get them fast for a review, and mine does have this issue. But yeah, I'm going to try weighing it real quick just to see how much it is. So the case with the earbuds weighs 124 grams, and then the individual earbuds weigh 7 grams. So that's not, I don't know how much the real ones weigh. But the earbuds, whenever I have them in my ears, I honestly forget that they are there because they feel so light. But yeah, I'm going to try pairing them now. And so I'm going to close it real quick and get my phone out. So this is an iPhone XS on the latest software, 13.1.2 I believe. And I'll get it focused. So I'm going to open up the case now As you can see, the pop-up instantly shows up. It says not your Powerbeats Pro. Press connect, hold down the button for a few seconds, and there you can see it is connecting with the animation and everything, which looks very cool in my opinion. And then it has this new Hey Siri setup feature. So if you don't have Hey Siri turned on, it will prompt you to set it up. I'm just going to click not now, and you can see the earbuds are showing. I do have issues sometimes where the case does not show up, but now that I have them paired, I am going to try out the... Now that I have them paired, as you can see, the case has popped up. I'm going to try out the touch functionality and just kind of talk about some features of them. So first, I'm just gonna try it on one with the left ear because it has the same touch functionality on both, but it has this kind of bigger button right here and then these two switches on top. So one click on the big button will pause and play. 2 clicks will go to the next song, as you can see, and then 3 clicks will go to the previous song. So that all works very well. And then the switch up top works to control the volume, which I really enjoy the on-ear volume controls. That is really nice in my opinion. And I think if you hold it, you might, yeah, there you go, you can get Siri to come up, which is really cool. You have a good amount of touch functionality here, and if you do have Hey Siri set up, then you can also use that. It's the same thing for both earpieces, as I said. And as far as the battery life on these goes, the box states 9 hours, but that is just because it is 1-to-1 with the real box. But in my battery test on max volume, these were able to get 3 hours, and if you did it on a normal day, just not at max volume, you could probably get 3.5 hours easily. So that's pretty good. I haven't had issues with these dying at the gym. One issue I have had is with the right earpiece. The switch is kind of loose, and so when music isn't playing or if it's like kind of quieter, then sometimes I can't hear that kind of shaking around in my ear while I work out, which is kind of annoying, but not the biggest deal as long as I keep the music playing. Whenever I did the battery test, I drained these completely and then charged them back fully in the case, and the case went from 100% to 90%, so it only lost 10%. Okay, so now I have them both in my ears, and I am going to do a quick mic test. One thing I did notice when using these is that there is only one microphone, and it is in the left ear, so I will kind of show that with the little waves here. So I'm talking, I'm going to use this audio in the video to kind of hear what it sounds like, but if I take out the left one and I put it next to my mouth, as you can see, it got a lot louder. Now I'm going to leave the left one out here, and I'm going to take out the right one, and when I speak into the right one, the waves do not change. So you can kind of see just based off that it does only have one microphone. The seller said that he was told from the factory that it would have 2 microphones, but I don't know if it's just my phone isn't able to utilize 2 microphones or what, but this is just from my test, and from my experience it shows that there is only one functioning microphone and is in the left ear. From my phone call test, it showed that the person, they can hear you, you just have to speak up a little bit more because it does sound like you're kind of farther away, and so it is kind of more difficult to hear you sometimes, but yeah, it does work. It just probably isn't the best. As far as the sound quality goes on these, it sounds pretty good. In my opinion, it sounds a lot like the other AirPod clones that I have checked out. It's not that incredible, but it's not bad at all. And if you have an equalizer, then it's probably better because they do seem to have quite a lot of bass and not as much high-end noise. But I mean, sounds subjective, and to me it sounds fine. Like for $75, I think this is a pretty nice pair of headphones, and I think that they're a great pair to kind of take to the gym and not worry too much about like beating up and getting sweaty and stuff. If you'd like to see me do a water test, then let me know in the description or in the comment section down below, and I'll be doing that in another video. But yeah, just let me know if you want to see that. That's going to be it for this video. I hope that you did enjoy. If you did, then a like would be very appreciated. Don't forget, like I said earlier, to go check out my last video for a huge giveaway I'm doing for a bunch of different AirPod clones. It's going to be going on for about another week. And like I said, let me know if you'd like me to do a sweat test, and I will get one of those posted very soon. I am also still collecting donations for the American Heart Association, trying to get to my goal of $500. I'm currently at about $100, and I will be matching the donations up to $100. So if you'd like to donate for that, then go ahead and follow the link in the description down below. And I hope that you enjoyed. Peace out.